In 2007, child abuse and neglect cost our nation a staggering $103.8 billion.
Here in Arizona, the story is just as alarming.
Every hour of every day, an Arizona child is the victim of child abuse or neglect.
For over 30 years, Crisis Nursery has carried out its mission of breaking the cycle of abuse and neglect by giving hope and support to more than 15,000 children and their families.
Last year alone, Crisis Nursery helped over 1,040 children.
A number that has nearly doubled since 2006 and continues to grow.
Crisis Nursery's programs have evolved to meet the changing needs of families who strive to break their own personal cycles of abuse and neglect, with the goal of giving each and every child a chance to grow in a loving home, whether with their birth or foster family. This year has been plagued with hardships that have hurt not only our nation, but our Arizona community as well. Among the hardest hit are nonprofit social service agencies like us. Faced with an uncertain economic future and dwindling state and federal funding, we at Crisis Nursery may be forced to turn children away.
Crisis Nursery needs your help now more than ever.
Nurturing so many children and turning lives around isn't easy, and we can't do it alone. Shelter, clothing, medical care, educational opportunities, and healthy meals are costly.
Last year, Crisis Nursery used over 26,000 diapers,
costing what an office would spend going to Starbucks twice a week.
Nearly 400 pounds of baby formula and over 1,000 jars of baby food were used to feed the young children at our shelter.
That's the cost of taking a family of 4 to dinner and a movie once a week for a year.
For about the cost of a monthly hair appointment,
or a round of golf each week for a year,
you could sponsor childcare and support services for a child and their family at FACES.
Ask yourself, where would our community's children go if Crisis Nursery were no longer here? Who would parents turn to when they have no other options? It's a frightening thought. There's no doubt the need for a place like Crisis Nursery is greater than ever. Please, open your hearts and give today to help the thousands of children who need Crisis Nursery now and in the future.